Nippon Kinzoku is further advancing plastic working technology that we have been developing since our foundation, as well as manufacturing processed products. Among these products, fine pipes are manufactured here in the Nippon Kinzoku Gifu plant. Fine pipes are also called welded drawn tubes, and we produce these pipes in a 100% built-to-order system to meet customers' demand for high-quality and low-cost products. In the manufacturing processes of fine pipes, a very accurate raw material produced mainly in our Itabashi factory is formed into the shape of a pipe by roll forming, so the high-precision pipe center is not inclined in comparison with a seamless pipe, and its wall thickness is extremely even. After that, a pipe-shaped product is welded. Its weld strength is ensured by thoroughly monitoring the condition of the weld, such as temperature distribution during welding. So a fine pipe with a weld has been demonstrated to have sufficient strength and to be as reliable as, or even more reliable than, a seamless pipe. For a pipe-shaped product, after manufacturing processes, the quality of its inner surface and the metal structure of a weld is controlled by combining, drawing, and annealing processes. So fine pipes have better quality than general welded tubes in terms of dimension accuracy and strength. Fine pipes manufactured in our Gifu factory are greatly characterized by a system for ensuring the overall length of all products. By performing not only in-line inspections for each process, but also operating in-house developed inspection apparatus, our advanced quality assurance system has been established. In addition to quality, fine pipes can be delivered in various forms. For customers, these forms can contribute to a reduction in working costs and improvement in productivity. In our Gifu factory, we manufacture products in this way, and these products are applied to car parts, measurement instruments, industrial devices, and beverage machines that require strict strength and dimension accuracy, as well as stationary and medical instruments that require precision. Thus, we contribute to the development of the whole of society. In addition, as a challenge for developing new products, we have succeeded in developing combined tubes, each of which consists of a fine pipe made of stainless steel and a pipe made of a resin material. These tubes are being adopted for chemical analysis instruments, and their use is expanding. Fine pipes, which have excellent dimension accuracy, strength, and extremely high surface quality, will contribute to realizing the ideal products for our customers going forward.